Hi, welcome back to Tosh Vlogs. Today I'm going to show you how to make Philly cheesesteak egg rolls with ground beef. First, you want to brown your ground beef, and when you're about halfway done cooking it, you want to go ahead and start adding your seasonings. Of course, I always have to use my dills, my onion powder, my garlic powder, paprika, accent, black pepper. Basically whatever seasoning you would like, but these are my favorites. Once your ground beef is completely done browning, you want to take it, drain it, and then bring it back to the heat and start adding in your onions and peppers. I also like to come back and add a little bit more seasoning, such as accent and black pepper. While your ground beef is finishing browning, you want to go ahead and start that cooking oil. Now that your ground beef is finished, you want to take it, place it in a bowl while it's still hot. And then you want to take your cream cheese and add it and start mixing it all in. Now this isn't necessary, but you can come in and add shredded cheese if you want to, or you can just leave it like it is. Then you want to take your egg roll wraps and start laying them out on your surface. Then you want to take one beat egg and brush the edges of the egg roll wrap to hold it together. Then you want to take a couple of spoonfuls of the ground beef mixture, place them in the center of the egg roll wraps, and start at the corners and begin to roll upwards. Once your cooking oil is hot and ready, you want to go ahead and start placing them separately inside the cooking oil. Then you want to cook them for about 5 minutes, and once they're golden brown, you want to remove them from the cooking oil. And this is the finished product. I like to take and serve mine with a sweet and sour sauce, or you may make your own sauce. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.